What's up YouTube, it's Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a GPO in Windows Server 2025. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, here we are on our Windows Server 2025 instance. All you're going to do is come down to the Windows search bar and type in group policy. If you do not have group policy installed already, this is not the video for you, but if you already have it installed, go ahead and double click on it. Once you double click on group policy, it is going to open up. This is the default before I've done anything group policy in general. So if you're just installing group policy right off the rip, this is going to be how it looks. Okay, so you're going to have your default domain policy up here at the top. That's your default for everything across the board right now with no changes, no nothing to it. But if you want to create a group policy, this is not how you link it just yet. This is just creating the policy in general. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and drop down this group policy object right here. You're going to right click on it and click on new. You're going to see your name right here. You can type in whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it as is, new group policy object, and click on OK. Once you do that, you've now created a group policy object. What you have to do in order to link it, so let's say I wanted to link it to my domain controller's organizational unit, you would right click on it and then link an existing group policy object, and then you see my new group policy object right there. Go ahead and click on it and then click on OK. And then typically when you create a group policy, there's two types of group policies. There's user configurations and then there's computer configurations. Let me show you what I mean. So if you right click on this group policy, you go to edit, you're gonna see computer configurations and user configuration. So a computer configuration would be something like, I don't know, if you want your computer to point to a specific place to get updates, whereas a user configuration might be like adding a share drive to a specific user's computer. Like, I don't know, adding a marketing share drive or a sales share drive to that specific user when they log in. But you can set those right in here. There's a million different things you can set, to be honest, but it's very easy to get lost in group policies. But I would definitely, at the very least, separate them by computer versus user. It'll help you if you're having an issue on your domain or on a computer and you want to just troubleshoot. You'll know like, hey, this is definitely not a user configuration. This is a computer configuration. But that is how you link a group policy in Microsoft Windows Server 2025. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.